Namaste, I'm Arshana. A warm welcome to day 8 of this 30 days of yoga. This session, we are going to be doing Jal Namaskara, that is honoring or offering salutations to the element water present within us as well as around us. So, the way water adapts to its environment, through the sequence, we are going to move with ease, coordinating our breath with our movement. So we'll begin the session by sitting in a comfortable seated position, keeping the back straight, chin parallel, hands come to rest, and we're going to bring our attention to our ears, listening for sounds that are coming from outside the room. One more inhalation. You can exhale and close your eyes. Now shifting your awareness to the sounds that are coming from inside the room. It could simply be the sound of your breath. As you breathe in, try and constrict your throat like we're doing the ocean's breath. You're going to listen for a soft snore-like sound. Remember to keep your face relaxed. Now breathe out, again constricting your throat. If this is not something that you're comfortable with, simply breathe in through your nose and out through your nose and listen for the breath of your sound. The sound of your breath. One more. Slowly open your eyes with a few blinks. Arms come to the side. Drop your left hand towards the mat, right hand up towards the ceiling. Just bend whatever is possible. Inhale. And the other side. Once more. Drop. And just flowing here through this movement. Once more. Breath in. And the other side. Inhale, reach up, turn and twist to your right. Breathe in, left and right. Close your eyes if you need to, drop to your left. Again, reach both your hands up to your right. Last one, to your left. Inhale, hands come up. Exhale, forward, stack your forearms one over the other, rest your forehead. Breathe in and completely breathe out. Slowly come up, swing your legs to one side, come onto your knees and bounce. Now here, we're going to just move through a few cat and camel. Breathe out, down. This is one of my favorite ways to warm up the spine. Inhale and exhale. And also here you can go as deep as you want to, or simply moving as much as your body allows you to. Engage your toes, lift your knees. Bend your right knee, straighten the left. Bend your left knee, straighten the right. If you want to drop your heels to your right and left, raise and drop. Whatever feels natural, whatever comes organically to you, you can do that. Step between your palms. halfway lift.
Forward fold. Inhale.
Reach up. Exhale. Hinge.
Forward fold. Again, bend your right knee, straighten the left.
Bend your left knee, straighten the right. You can look forward. If you need, you can always place. 3, 2, 1. Fold forward.
Padahastasana. Press into the earth.
Inhale, reach up. Exhale, hinge. Last time.
Forward fold. So, bend your left knee.
Reach the right hand up towards the ceiling.
Drop it down.
Bend your right knee. Reach the left hand up towards the ceiling.
Drop it down. Press into the earth. Breathe in.
Reach up. Interlace your fingers. Stretch towards the ceiling. Inhale. Completely exhale. Drop. Last time. Push your hands back. Forward fold. If you want to interlace your hands,
or simply drop it down. Last one. Breath in.
Halfway lift. Breathe out. Fold forward. And now from here, you're going to slowly roll up. Drop your hands down. Reach your hands up towards the ceiling. With your right hand, grab your left wrist into the Lasana. Your crescent moon pose to the side. Inhale, reach. Now grab the other side and bend. Reach up, push your pelvis forward, arch back. Breathe out, reach forward and towards the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step your right leg back, drop your knees. Breathe in, reach up. Breathe out, fold forward, straighten, and forehead comes towards your knee. Inhale again, reach, stretch. You're going to stretch further here. Breathe in, reach up. Breathe out, drop your hands. See if you can stretch back, sit on your heel, hold. Inhale, completely exhale, come forward, engage your toes, raise that heel, drop it down, pyramid. Breathe in, completely breathe out, press your palms into the mat. Raise and step between your palms, halfway lift. Breathe out, forward fold. Breath in, reach up. Now this time with your left hand, grab your right wrist. Bend. Again, up the other side. Inhale, come up. Hinge. Forward fold. Then halfway lift. Breathe out. Reach. Step your left leg back. Breath in. Anjaneyasana. Breathe out. Ardha Hanumanasana. Again, breath in. See if you can go further or you can just stay wherever you did previously. Inhale and arch. Exhale. Reach and forward fold. Drop. Straighten the back leg. Fold forward into your pyramid. Parshavuttanasana. Breathe in. Breathe out. Raise the back leg. Step between your palms. Halfway lift. Breathe out. Forward fold. Breathe in. Reach up. Arch your back. Breathe out. Shake your legs out. From here, we're again going to inhale, arch, exhale, forward. See if you can grab hold of your toes. Drop your seat. Breath in. Either hold your knees or those of you who can, extend, just rock. Forward. Inhale. Arch your back. Exhale, reach forward.
And down. Grab a hold of your toes. This time you can also just hold your knees. See what works for you. Sit, rock, inhale,
Up.
exhale, down. From here, you're going to sit, rock, breathe out. Just moving
With whatever is possible with your body. Just move with ease, with whatever your body feels like doing today. Just move with that. Exhale, down.
Drop your hands, step back. Breathe in.
You can rest your thighs or come on to your push to plank,
Push back. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Again, reach forward, plank, drop.
Urdhva Mukha, push and back.
Last one, plank,
Urdhva Mukha and Adho Mukha.
Raise your heels off the mat. Widen your legs. Breathe in. Walk your hands back all the way as close to the mat as possible, as close to your feet as possible. Breathe out, forward fold. This time, and inhale,
Halfway lift. Exhale,
roll forward. Press your left hand to the mat. Left knee bends. Reach and stretch. So we're not going straight up. Stretch and reach to the back wall. Again, drop, bend, reach to the other side.
once more. Breathe out. Walk your hands forward.
Nice wide plank. Legs are wide, palms are wide. Hold 3, 2, 1. Drop. Rest. Your knees on the mat.
Out. Breathe out.
Forward. Again, press. If you need to adjust, adjust.
Inhale. Up. Exhale.
Down. Press your toes. Open your knees nice and wide. Big toes come to touch. Arms like the letter T come to rest. You want, you can always bend your elbows. Rest your cheek on the mat. If this is not comfortable, you can always rest your forehead. Reach your hands. Get into your most comfortable position possible. Stay here. Breathe in. Breathe out. Again, bring your awareness to your body, to your breath, to the sound of your breath.
From here, you're going to swing your legs to one side. Bring it in front of you. Open your legs wide.
Drop your hands forward. Chin to chest, forehead in the direction of your knees. Your knees can, forehead, in the direction of the mat. Knees can be bent, legs flop to the side.
You want to take it deeper.
Do that. Completely relax. Taking a long, deep breath in. Every time you exhale, letting go of any tightness, aches, pains, tension. Completely breathe out, collapse further, deeper. It's always nice to let out a big sigh, exhaling through your mouth, signaling your body to completely relax. You can try that. Breathe in and let it go. We naturally also do that. If you observe anytime you're stressed or something doesn't go your way, you let out a big sigh. So here you're just doing this with a lot of awareness.
Slowly roll up. You can continue to keep your eyes closed. Sit tall, back is nice and straight. We'll take one deep breath in, chant one round of Om and end the session. As you breathe out, bring your hands in front of you, open your palms, open your eyes with a few blinks. Thank you so much for doing this practice with me. I would love to hear your feedback in the comments below. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel. And if you think this video is going to help somebody you know, please share. Get more people to join you on this journey. I hope you carry the sense of ease with you all through your day. Namaste.